Okay, let's try B. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, okay, every time you see fraction or rational inequality, first thing in your mind, your right hand side to be 0. So here you have a 2 here. So how to get rid of 2? This is positive 2, so siblings will be minus 2. Okay, so x minus 5, x plus 8 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, so do remember this is over with 1, right? Okay. Okay, so as I mentioned just now, step 1, ensure your right hand side equal to 0. Step 2, your left hand side is a single fraction. Okay, in other words, apply your lowest common multiple. So how? Okay, x plus 8 times 1 for sure is x plus 8. Okay, so you have x minus 5 minus 2 x plus 8. Okay, so simplify it. X minus 5. Okay, be careful, this is the whole thing here. Okay, so negative 2 times x, you have negative 2x. Okay, negative 2 times 8, you have negative 16. Okay, because this will be the careless mistake students did. Okay, be careful. Okay, so x minus 2x, you have negative x. Negative 5, negative 16, negative 21. X plus 8 more than equal to 0. Okay, so okay, now obviously this is what? This is a negative. Okay, so one more thing before I forget. Okay, you must ensure your left hand side is a single positive fraction. Okay, so back to this. Okay, it is a single positive fraction? No. Okay, because you got negative on the x involved, right? So how are you supposed to make it to be positive? Okay, so you can factorize it out, your negative. Okay, then how to simplify? You got negative, right? Oops. Okay, negative. Do remember every time you have negative? Yes, change the symbol first. Okay, then after that divide it. Divide with negative 1. Okay, so obviously you have x plus 21 over x plus 8. Okay, now look into this. Okay, my question to you, can you multiply x plus 8 directly, then after that you just simplify like this? In other words, you just ignore the x plus 8. Are you able to do that? Okay, maybe some of you said yes. Okay, but honestly, you can't do that. Okay, as I mentioned just now, you must be fair and square. Okay, so since that there have a factors on your denominator, so no matter how it is, you not only need to find the value of the x on your numerator, you also need to find the x that allocate on the or consider the value x on your denominator as well. Okay, fair and square. Okay, still remember the basic rules and regulation for a rational number to fulfill? Okay, yes, you need to ensure your denominator cannot be 0. Okay, so we need to set that x plus 8 cannot be 0. In other words, to make it exist or apply, your x cannot be -8. It's okay? Okay, how does this come in? Is from here. Because you need to have x plus 8 not equal to 0. In other words, x plus 8, because not equal to 0, right? So x will be not equal to -8. Is it okay? Yeah. Okay, you no need to show the working, okay, or the solution. Okay, you just need to write down the statement for it to be applied. Is it okay? So once again, this statement is very important. Okay, please remember to write. If you don't write, marks will not be given. Okay, so until this stage, what you can do, okay, since that you have more than one x variables here, okay, so you may need to get the you may need to consider the statement in consider the critical values. Okay, how? Okay, because consider, right? Okay, so just get the statement in. So x plus 21 equal to 0. Okay, after that x plus 8, okay, equal to 0. Okay, because you already said it's not equal to -8. Okay, so should be okay already. So simplify it. X equal to -21, x equal to -8. And do remember to put the word n. Okay, wait, is it finished? No. Okay, you need to find the inequalities. Okay, so now at this stage you can use your, they have two ways of doing it. Okay, one of it is you use your real number line. Okay, so let me share with you. Okay, how to draw your real number line. Okay, so again, step 1, get your x. Okay, step 2, get your numbers in as usual. Okay, so after that, -21 is include. Okay, just consider the positive side. X more than -21. Okay, after that, do remember -8 cannot be included, so there will be a empty dot here. Okay, do remember this. Okay, an empty dot here. Okay, whereby okay, whereby your x is more than -8. Okay, then what you can do next? Okay, so obviously you got 3 parts here. Okay, so next to do, okay, just get your symbol in. With lines is positive, with lines is positive, so positive, positive, positive. Without line is negative, with line is positive. Negative, positive, negative. Without line is negative, without line is negative. So negative, negative, positive. So until this stage, okay? Yeah. Okay, now what will be our final answer then? Okay, listen carefully. Okay, our final answer will be based on the symbol before you consider your critical values. That is this part. Okay, just circle. Okay, so this is what? Less than equal. Okay, means negative, right? So which symbol that you choose then is based on the symbol before you consider your critical values. That is negative. So circle the negative. Okay, do circle out because this is part of the process. Okay, so from here, don't forget to write down your answer. So this is black dot, so include. Okay, this is empty dot, so exclude. Okay, and do forget to have your conclusion. So conclusion want you to have your interval notation, right? Okay, so get your notation. So as I said, get your pairs. Okay, then this is include, so it's square. This is exclude, so it's curve. Is that okay? Oops. Okay, so that's the answer.